Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming exactly which third-party subscriptions are active on your line. Open the My Etisalat app or web portal and go directly to the Subscriptions or Services section. This shows vendor names, short codes, and recurring charges. Once done, cross-check with any service activation SMS in your inbox and write down the short code or service number. Make sure to note the charge amount and activation date, because you will use those details in the next step to request removal. Now you actively cancel. Reply stop to the vendor's activation SMS or short code. This is the vendor-level command that halts billing. If you're in the app, tap the subscription and use the cancel or unsubscribe button instead. It triggers the same stop request and generates a confirmation. Once you get a confirmation SMS or in-app message, save a screenshot or note the reference code and timestamp. These proof items are essential if charges persist and you need escalation. Finish by ensuring the service truly stopped. Monitor your next bill and watch for further vendor charges. If you still see charges, call Etisalat customer care or use live chat and provide the saved confirmation screenshot and timestamps. Ask them to place a formal block on third-party billing and open an investigation with a reference ID. Make sure to request a refund if applicable and record the case number. Troubleshooting tip: if care delays, escalate with the reference ID and ask for supervisor review immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.